Hey guys, welcome back to part 3, day 3, series 3 of my spring cleaning series. In today's video, let me pause, rewind. I have 2 other videos so far that are part 1 and 2 of my spring cleaning series. So if you haven't checked those out, go ahead and check those out as well. But in today, we're going to do a little bit of laundry, a little bit. So what we are going to do for day 3 in getting our house nice and clean and smelling good and smelling fresh is we are going to be washing all of our bedding in the house. All of the bedding. We are also going to be washing basically anything that you can wash. So this includes blankets in your family room, all of the towels, hand towels, kitchen towels, bath towels, as well as, this is something I literally never do, but we're also going to be washing and cleaning our rug. So it is going to be a lot of laundry. If you need to break it up over the course of a couple of days like I did, by all means do it. I know that cleaning can be overwhelming, and so that's why I created this little fun spring cleaning series. I also created a checklist on Etsy that is available. I'll have that linked below, and that's the reason why I created this, because cleaning, especially like spring cleaning and getting your house just kind of ready and refreshed, it can be very overwhelming, let me say. I'm a mom of 2, a wife of 1, and I get it. I totally get how overwhelming cleaning can be. And sometimes we just have to take it like one task at a time, one task every day, or, you know, a couple of tasks over the course of the week. Or something like that. Like, it may even take you longer, and you know what? That's okay. It's okay if it takes you the whole spring season. Honestly, I feel like so far that's what is going on with me. We have been over the moon, so freaking busy. I cannot even tell you. So just take it task by task. If you are an overachiever and you just simply don't want to wait, for my next videos to come out, then go ahead and click on the link below for my Etsy shop, and then you can just purchase it right there. It's also, it would make a really great gift. You could frame it, put it on somebody's kitchen counter, just as like a fun little reminder. It's kind of a different sort of a gift. Mother's Day is coming up, so I mean, who knows? Gift it if you want. I think it'd be a fun, unique idea. And it's also nice to be able to have you buy it once, you print it out, and then it's yours to keep forever and ever. And then, you know, every season, if you want to do like a little spring cleaning challenge yourself to get it done in 30 days or 2 weeks or whatever, and then you can just use it year after year. It's really great for that. So let's see, I think without further ado, let's just go ahead and get right into it. Let's get started doing all of the laundry. Also, I will say, perfect timing in our house for this to happen, because if you guys are anything like me, anytime anybody is sick or the house is full of sick kids or what have you, I wash everything. And we have been sick. If you've watched my recent couple of videos, you know the whole house has been sick. First the kids, and then of course me, because I'm the mom. And this was the perfect time to just go ahead and get all of those gross germs, all of the winter germs out of the house and behind us, and now we can have a nice, clean, fresh, beautiful smelling home. Let's get into it. first load is in. This is gonna be probably an all-day process. It might even be a 2-dayer, to be honest. I need to do my other daughter's bedding. I need to do our bedding, a bunch of blankets downstairs, and then rugs. So we'll see how it goes. That will take about an hour. Then I'll switch it to the dryer, and then I'll do probably, I really want to do my bedding today. I don't know, we'll see. Quite the process, you guys. But it's gonna be worth it because everything will be nice and clean and fresh. I like doing this, especially because like things like blankets and rugs, like, to be honest, they don't get washed hardly ever. Blankets more so, rugs no. And yeah, they just need washed. It's a perfect time to do it, spring cleaning. So yeah. Okay, it's been an hour. I freshened up a little bit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and wash all of this. I just changed the first load into the dryer. And then I'm gonna do this, but I always put my comfort in just on its own, but I do that last. So let's see what all I can get in my washing machine. All of this for sure, minus the comforter, and then I'll probably be able to squeeze a couple of blankets from our family room in this load as well. I decided just to get everything done in our room, I'm also going to grab our towels. Again, whew, sorry, don't get dizzy. Just so everything in this bedroom, aside from like my rug and my bathroom, can be done. the bedding has been washed and placed on the beds. All of the blankets have been washed and cleaned, and all of the rugs have been cleaned as well. The house is smelling amazing. It smells like spring. It smells fresh. It smells amazing. Highly recommend opening up your windows, your doors, whatever the case is, and just airing out the house. Get those germs out of here. Let's get some beautiful, fresh spring air into our homes. So again, if you are new and you enjoy these types of videos, I have a clean with me video coming up very soon as well. Subscribe to my channel. I am a very small YouTuber. Obviously, as you can see, under 800 subscribers as of right now. I'm really trying to hit a goal of 1,000 by the end of summer. I think that would be amazing and fantastic, and I really hope that can happen. So I would love and appreciate your support. I would also love and appreciate your support on my Etsy shop as well. My Etsy spring cleaning checklist is $4.99. So that would help as well, and it would help you because it is a really great little fun checklist. You can kind of challenge yourself every season if you would like with that. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you do any sort of spring cleaning, and have you already done it? I'm probably just really behind because, like I said, it's been busy. But anyways, okay, I will stop talking. That's gonna be everything for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you really soon in my next Clean With Me video coming sometime this week. Thanks, bye.